What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Dave's adventures in cooking. Got to be brave.
Hello internet land and internet fans. Welcome back to Dave's Adventures in Cooking. Today we are making the recipe that you see on the screen, sweet potato quinoa cakes, sent in from my friends in Toronto, Courtney and Riley. Now I'm taking a few creative liberties with this recipe, but the main ingredients are going to stay the same: sweet potatoes and black beans and quinoa. For those of you who don't know what quinoa is, it was also featured in the Barbecue Burger Battle episode, episode 13 of Season 1 of Dave's Adventures in Cooking, so take a look at that. It's an ancient grain and it's full of protein. I'm taking a few liberties right now by pre-cooking a couple of the ingredients. Got the quinoa cooking in my slow cooker right now, and I've got the chopped up sweet potatoes cooking in the oven. We'll come back when they're done. Now they're out of the oven. We've got our sweet potatoes, we've got our cooked quinoa, we've got our black beans, we've got our spices on reserve. Next step is to take the beans, or rather take the sweet potatoes and put them into a bowl and mash them with a fork. And now that we've mashed the sweet potatoes, we get to mash the beans with a fork. It says in the instructions to leave them a bit lumpy. Now that everything is nice and mashed together, we just combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Ingredients listed are onions, cilantro, garlic, cumin, chili powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. I have my own mixture of spices I'm going to try with these, most of the same ones, but a few that are a little bit different. I don't particularly like cilantro myself. So I'm going to add that, mix that, and show you the final mixture. Right, so here's my final cake mix. Never thought I'd say that in my life. Mixed into a little nice batter. It says the next important step is to cover this and refrigerate for 1 hour. So we'll be back in an hour. Alright, it's been an hour. We've let the mixture sit in the fridge for an hour. Now it's time to take it out. Put them in the frying pan, fry them with oil for about 3 minutes, and they should be ready to go. So here's the finished product. We'll note that mine didn't exactly achieve the consistency I wanted to. I guess I didn't add the right amount of quinoa per amount of mashed yam, but this was my first attempt at making them. They still taste pretty good. And the good thing about these is they're also a vegan recipe, so if you have any friends or relatives who are crazy, who want to save the planet, they can eat these as well. So I'm going to enjoy mine now. Thank you for tuning in to Dave's Adventures in Cooking. I'll have a new recipe lined up next week, and happy cooking!